Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about the CapCut video editing course. So the topic of our today's video is filters in CapCut. So let's get started and learn about filters in CapCut. So I am opening a CapCut PC software. It is very easy and handy to use, and it do not requires a heavy PC. If you have low end PC, then you can easily edit videos on this. So I click on new project and let's see what are the filters. So first of all, we will like upload some photos. So these are some photos. So I click this photo here. So in today's video we will discuss about filters. So I click on filter, and there are pre-made filters available, and you can also check out the filters, scenery, movies. So I want some movie effect. So this is the GTA 3 effect. Yeah, it's look great. You can also increase the level of filter like this one, and also decrease the let's check some other filter. It's look great. It's look like dark look. So you have to check some filters, and then you know which filter is good for your video. After that, you can also check out the night scenes. Yeah, green, gray, cold blue. Yeah, it's look great. After that, you can also use style, retro 4. Yeah, this is also good. So let's check that can we apply filters on photos. So let's check this, and this is a photo, and let's apply this filter. Yeah, that's great. We can also apply filter on photos. That's great. So I want to apply some movie. Yeah, the picture is now looking very cool. So these are the filters in CapCut, and you can also made your own filters, but CapCut provides you very good and attractive filters, so you can use in your projects. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.